Whenever economic pouch packaging is concerned, SN is the perfect partner. SN German Pouch Pack Technology is the expert and market leader for horizontal pouch packaging machines. With more than 50 years of experience and satisfied customers all over the world, we proudly look back on the successful history of the company. But moreover, full of energy and motivation, we focus on a successful and sustainable future for our company, for our employees, and for our customers. With a headquarters in the city of Wippelfürth, not far from the international airports of Düsseldorf, Cologne, and Frankfurt, our company has a long tradition in the region and a strong bond with our local employees. Many of the numerous specialists come from the area and support our manager-owned company with great ideas through workmanship and extraordinary commitment. Knowledgeable advice, development, production, and service. All these areas go hand in hand. This fact guarantees individual customer support, smooth project handling, reliable delivery times, and best return on investment for our clients. Whichever requirements you have, SN Machines meet them.
Ja, die Marke SN ist durch die Leute geprägt, durch die Mitarbeiter, die hier am Standort arbeiten. Wir produzieren in wesentlichen Teilen in Deutschland, in Wipperfürth. Die Leute sind fokussiert auf die Produkte. Sie mögen einfach den Fortschrittsprozess hier zu sehen und die Kundennähe weiterrum zu haben. Und durch diese Nähe und die Nähe zum Produkt entstehen Höchstleistungen. Und das zeichnet uns am Ende da diesbezüglich aus.
Our mutual goal is to implement the unique and perfect solution for your business. Whether pillow or stand-up pouch, a pouch with contour, spout or reclosure system, we realize custom-made FFS and FS pouch packaging machines tailored precisely for your requirements and your product. Our machines have output rates which start at 20 pouches per minute for the smaller applications and rise up to several hundred pouches per minute for the high-speed applications. High-performance machines made in Germany. Thanks to unique ideas, innovations, decades of experience, and precise workmanship, we guarantee each customer a machine solution that suits. With SN, there are no ready-made machines, but individual solutions of highest quality. Furthermore, SN packaging technology supports our clients with the ever-growing ecological demands of our times. An improved carbon footprint, lower transportation costs, and a reduced waste volume, for instance, can be realized by using especially thin film in our packaging machines. For a sustainable future, for your business, and for your customers.
Ich glaube, das Wichtigste für den Kunden ist, dass wir ihn ernst nehmen. Dass er hier ankommt, verstanden wird, wir ihn richtig interpretieren können und er am Ende genau das bekommt, was er erwartet hat. Und tolle Technologie, womit unser Kunde wieder extrem erfolgreich produzieren kann.
SN German Pouch Pack Technology